Good afternoon, WC Bobcats, and welcome to our Pow-Wow assembly, our remote version of it. For today's assembly, we are going to be celebrating our individual and our class awards, along with our March Perseverance Poster Contest winner. So for the month of March, our character trait was perseverance. And when we persevere through something, we are finding it to be difficult or challenging. And instead of giving up, we continually try and try and try again until we are successful. I'm also joined here by my co-host Ace. He is going to be our minute to win it for today. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with our celebrations. We're going to start with our positive fifth graders. We have congratulations going to Ben in Mrs. Sosnowski's class, Lucas in Mrs. Rivera's class, Serenity in Mrs. Turner's class, and Jalen in Mrs. Halterman's class. Congratulations, fifth graders. For fourth grade, we have Joey in Mrs. Jasinski's class, Seamus in Mrs. Reeves' class, Bailey in Mrs. Zajak's class, and Julia in Mrs. McGann's class. Congratulations, positive fourth graders. For third grade, we have Reese in Mrs. Earle's class, Tenley in Mrs. Stefani's class, Reese in Mrs. Hope's class. Congratulations, positive third graders. For second grade, we have Isabel in Mrs. Nini's class, Noah in Mrs. Haynes' class, Adam in Miss Shayer's class. Congratulations, positive second graders. In first grade, we have Ava in Mrs. Cromba's class, Paisley in Dr. Walshire's class, Raina in Mrs. Ellis's class. Congratulations, positive first graders. And in kindergarten, we have Samantha in Mrs. Miller's class, Umberto in Mrs. Bailey's class, and Emily in Mrs. Bowser's class. Congratulations, big round of applause for all of our individual student award winners. Your certificates will be mailed to you. All right, and now on to our classroom awards. For PE, for kindergarten and first grade, we have Mrs. Bowser's class. In second and third grade, Mrs. Stefani's class. In fourth and fifth grade, Mrs. Jasinski's class. For art, we have Mrs. Bailey's class, Mrs. Haynes' class, and Mrs. McGann's class. For music, we have Mrs. Ellis's class, Mrs. Earle's class, and Mrs. Turner's class. For STEM, we have Dr. Walshire's class, Mrs. Haynes' class, and in library, we have Dr. Walshire's class, Mrs. Hope's class, and Mrs. McGann's class. For the CAF, we have Mrs. Miller's class, Mrs. Stefani's class, and Mrs. Zajak's class. Congratulations to all of our March Classroom Perseverance Class Awards. As soon as we get back into school, we'll make sure to move those awards around to different doors. All right, and the moment that most of you have been waiting for. First off, we would love to share our appreciation for all the students who participated in our Perseverance Poster Contest. This winner will have their poster hung up throughout the school, dedicated to this month of persevering through. So, without any further ado, the winning poster for W.C. Petty's Perseverance Poster for the 2020-2021 school year goes to Maya in Mrs. Earle's class. Congratulations, Maya. We all are going to be looking forward to seeing your poster on display throughout the building. All right, and next up, we have our Minute to Win It. For our Minute to Win It today, I have an almond or a Ritz cracker to give to Ace. All right, and we are going to see how quickly he can finish this before the minute is up. All right, Ace, come on over. Would you like a Ritz or would you like an almond? Of course, now he makes his way all the way over. All right, let's have some fun today. It's a nice summer day. We'll give him a treat. How about a Ritz cracker? All right, there you go. We're gonna start the timer. Oh, let's see what we got. Yeah. Oh yeah. He loves his music and his Ritz cracker treats. Uh-oh. 30 seconds. How quickly do you think he's gonna finish it? Can you finish it, Ace? Oh, he is making his way through that Ritz cracker though. 15 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And time is up. Oh, good try. As you can see, he would much rather just simply take his time enjoying his treat. All right, WC Petty Bobcats, thanks for joining us on our remote version of today's Pow-Wow assembly. We will be posting our Perseverance poster contest winner on Facebook, so that way you can see their poster much better. Take care, and we'll see you next time.